In this video, we're covering ACM and PIV integration. Let's take a look at some of the key features. ACM is FIPS 201 compliant. We are in the GSA approved product list. ACM is integrating with HID PIV class software to provide a full PIV solution. We provide with that solution an end-to-end encrypted communication. And the PIV identity enrollment process with ACM is very simple. We'll cover that in a minute. And we have a comprehensive list of approved PIV readers from HID, standard, iClass, Rs, and RP PIV readers to the new HID signal readers, as well as verdict biometric readers. Let's take a look at the software. Okay, I already have the PIV class software. This is the registration workstation. It's already installed. All the configuration is completed. I'm just demonstrating how you can enroll a credential, a government credential into ACM. So first thing is I have a smart card reader connected to the workstation. I'm gonna do now is insert the card to the. So once you insert the card, it's going to pop the keypad here to enter the PIN number. I'm gonna go ahead and enter the PIN number here in my keyboard. Click OK. This will validate against the reader. Now it's checking the card to make sure that this card is not being revoked by the government. And if it's validated properly, as it did, then it comes back and let me now register this with my access control system. I'm going to go ahead and part of this integration, it gives me the option to start with an enrollment and give him a permission to a row. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a generic row here. Click OK. And this now is going to go and grab all this information here and register with the access control system. So you can see here in the dialog box is saying it's registering and now successfully registered. So let's go ahead and go to ACM, which is running here in the background. I'm going to go ahead and hit search. And if I scroll down, I should be able to find the GSA right there. Because I'm using a test card, it doesn't have an actual name of a person, so it's they call the golden card, so this is to run tests. And so it brings in the photo of that individual, first, last name, a few other items in here. It will assign the role that I selected in ACM, and most important, brings the token in the card, the PIV card, knows it's a PIV card, puts the card number in there, also the issue date and the deactivation date. This is the date that is on the card itself. So now that the card is registered, by default, it will PIV class will check this card every 18 hours to make sure that this card has not been revoked by the government. Those settings, as obviously, they are adjustable, so the customers usually use a much lesser interval to make the updates of those cards. If ACM or if PIV class finds this a card to be revoked, it will automatically go back to ACM and disable that card in our system.